In this video, I will show you how to download and install TiviMate on Google TV. Now over here, I have a Sony Google TV, but it doesn't matter the brand or size of Google TV you're using, whether it's a Hisense Google TV, a TCL Google TV, or even any device with Google TV like the Chromecast with Google TV. By the end of this video, you should be able to download and install the TiviMate IPTV Player app on any Google TV you have. Now first things first, you have to make sure that your Google TV is actually connected to the internet. So if you come over to the settings over here, you can literally see that mine is actually connected to my Wi-Fi network, as you can see at the top over here. Once you're sure that you're connected to the internet, now go back to the home of your Google TV, then come over to this app section on your Google TV. So just scroll over to the app section, then scroll down until you get to this input field over here. Click on it, and then you want to go ahead and type TiviMate. Now in case you do not know, the TiviMate IPTV Player app is already on the Google Play Store, so there is basically no need for you to sideload the app into your Google TV anymore. With this search bar, we should be able to find the app from the Google Play Store. So go ahead and type TiviMate, and once you're done, go ahead and click on this search icon at the bottom over here, and this will automatically search the Google Play Store for the TiviMate IPTV Player app. As you can see over here, this is basically the TiviMate IPTV Player app, so you want to go ahead and select it from over here, and then just click on the install button at the bottom. Now give the TV some few seconds to properly download and install the app into your TV. And finally, once it is done, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the open button. And just like so, we have the TiviMate IPTV Player app running smoothly on our Google TV. So you can go ahead and add your playlist and start enjoying your content from the TiviMate IPTV Player app on your Google TV. Now if you come over to the home of your Google TV now, and then just come over to this list of apps over here, you can literally see that the TiviMate IPTV Player app has now been added to the list of apps on our TV. And again, this works for any Google TV or Google TV device that you have. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.